welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you with me as I clean out my very unorganized plant supply cabinet. It's gotten to the point that I can't find what I'm looking for and I have no idea what's all in there. So let's get started. What I'm doing here is taking everything out of the cabinet and deciding what I want to keep, what I want to offer to local plant collectors, and what I want to throw away. Now what I'm going to do is I have these refrigerator organizers. I'm going to go ahead and put these in here and organize my to keep box, which is right here. I have to see how I want to put these. I know that you can't see all the way in here, but what I have is I have a large container here, a smaller but taller one here, a smaller but taller one here, a large one here, a large one back here, and a smaller but taller one back here. Now it's time to go ahead and organize everything. I'm going to put all of the chemicals into one. This is my magnifying glass, so I'm going to put that in the front. This is Azamax, so maybe that'll go in the front too. My general hydroponic solution. To our there we go. Now we have a huge supply of cups. I'm going to put the spare moss and the spare bark and the spare flue ball. I'm going to put those back here. And I think I'm going to put the plant stakes back here behind that. So that way all of these plant stakes go back here behind this. That wasn't very neat. I'll have to clean that up. Clonex. Orchid mist. This is my Physan 20. My Safer's insecticidal soap will have to go in the back here because there's just not enough room for it with the rest of the pesticides. This is a dropper. That was the weather stripping I put in the back. Now these are clips that I still use. These orchid clips and strawberry forks I'm going to keep up front because I always need them. but I think I'm going to keep them in a small bin. pH down. These wicks really need to go outside, but I'll keep Super Thrive goes in with the Floor Bloom stuff. My soldering iron will go in here. This needs to get cleaned out, so I'll clean it out right now. Now that's nice and clean. I'm going to put that in the back. The clip can go in the back. I'll just clip it to the side. The acrylic risers in this will also go in the back. And I think I'm going to take out the substrate. So I'm going to put the substrates up here in the front. Mosquito dunks, I'll also put these in the front. Larger size Azamax, that will go in here, but I have one overflow. This is my rubbing alcohol. I also use this the most, so it wouldn't be a bad thing if it was set out. So I'm gonna put this, I think I'm gonna put this over here with, okay. What other surprises do we have here? Oh, this is the Tetra Sand, and then we would also have the Minx, which is right here. So these need to be handled carefully. Okay, here's my cabinet after I went ahead and organized. You can see I have the fire hydrant back there. I have the bins and risers there. Here I have cups and what little substrates I have left and my rubbing alcohol in my cups. Here I have my magnifying glass and my soldering iron, and that's where I have my orchid clips and strawberry forks. There and over here I have my nutrition bin where I have Super Thrive and Clonex and the General Hydroponic Solutions. Then this container right here is all of my pest prevention methods. And then way in the back there is just some miscellaneous items. I have stakes and sticks back there and some other things. Thank you for joining me today as I cleaned out my plant cabinet. It had been accumulating things for a very long time, and honestly I had no idea what exactly was in some of those boxes in there. So it was a very good and very useful activity for me to do today. I hope you join me again. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.